my channel. It's your girl Ocube. So this is the face of Ocube. So if you are new here and you've not seen this face before, this is me. Because please subscribe. And if you're a returnee, yay, I love you all. You guys are super amazing and you are all fantastic. Much kisses to you all. So guys, if you've not seen this GELE that is trending on my channel, because go and watch it. Now I filmed this tie on myself. I'll teach you how to do this on yourself with ease. With so much ease, you can be able to get this beautiful tie on yourself without anyone's help, without anyone being around you. You can achieve it. So guys, if you're really interested in seeing I got this beautiful look, stay tuned and see you all in my next one. Bye bye loves. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe and comment on this video. Share with your friends and family. We'll definitely see you all in my next one. Bye bye. So as you can see, I've placed the tie on my head. So I'll just carry the plate like this. Then form another one. And use your armpits to actually hold it down while you arrange the side. Trying to use my armpits. Okay, so now I've held this, so now I'm just trying to carry it like this. I formed 4 plates. Let me form one more. Let me form to like 5. Okay, see. Now 4 to 5. So these are the plates that I formed. Don't push. Don't want any plate to. So I'm just trying to arrange the plates, making sure it's well flat on my forehead. See the way I'm carrying the plates one by one. Then I carry it over to the back so I can tie, so I can cross over. So I'll just cross it over to the front. See, I've pulled it like this. So this is 30% and this is 70%. 70%, right? So now this aspect of the ashoki that is 70%, I'll twist it from here like this. I'll twist it like this. Let me just continue. So see, so I place, after twisting, I just place it directly on top of my last plate. See, now, so I'll just use a pin to secure here if I choose to, but at the same time, you see this one here that I've done. So before I use a pin to actually secure, I can just put it, I'm supposed to put this like underneath like this. I'm bringing it to the front, so using it to cross it like this. So it's supposed to be like this. See, it can actually be here like this. Before I carry this like this, back, and I secure with a pin. So I'm just using my pin to secure it firmly to the back. Then I pick another one to make sure it's well secured. So secure. So now, but you can still add more to make sure it doesn't remove. So let me just add more. So now this aspect of the ashoki, I will start forming my pleats until I get to the end of the point where I want to start forming the bow. So then I carry it over to the end and also do the same to the other side and carry it together then I'll look for a pin to secure it firmly together so it does not scatter. Okay, so see now, then I just place it like this. See, I just position here like this. Use a pin, another pin, to make sure it's well secured here like this. So see what I'm doing. You also be careful so you don't pin your hand. So guys, this is a DIY. You see how beautiful it is, right? So I'll just pull this a little bit forward, then that is it. So it was pretty easy. I did it on myself. It's a DIY. So without anybody's help, you can actually do it on yourself. So what's stopping you? What is stopping you? So if you love this tutorial and if you enjoyed the pico, please subscribe to this channel. I love you all. You guys are super amazing. Without you guys, we are nothing. So if you've not yet seen my previous videos, go and watch them out, and they might be useful to you. You never can tell. So hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. I love you. Bye bye.